Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, account age, verification status, and community rules so your submission isn't rejected. Once done, organize a portfolio of 5 to 10 polished clips or images labeled by date and topic, because reviewers judge consistency. Next, draft a concise bio and provide a contact email. State your niche clearly so moderators understand your angle. Make sure files meet size and format limits, and then move to the application step immediately. Now you apply. Fill the creator form with your exact handle, primary platform links, and a clear pitch explaining why your content matters. Then upload your portfolio files using required file names and formats. Inconsistency here triggers delays. Attach proof, screenshots of engagement metrics, or a 2-week content log to show traction. Once uploaded, double-check metadata and permissions so nothing is blocked. Then submit and watch for confirmation or requested revisions from the review team. To finish, monitor messages and respond to reviewer requests within 48 hours, supplying corrected files or clarifications so your application proceeds. If they reject you, read the rejection reasons carefully and make exact adjustments to your portfolio, bio, or verification documents. Don't guess. Once corrected, resubmit a single focus sample that addresses the cited issue to demonstrate the fix. If problems persist, contact support with screenshots. That one troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.